Three here in our house, me, my son, and my old mom. My 77 old mother. I don't have any, I don't have husband, I don't have partner, I don't have boyfriend here. Hindi ba kayo sa magbabalintong man ko? Hindi ba magbalintong? Ako babalintong ko. Mm-mm. Against the light. Against the light is there. So I know how to put this ring light. Comment guys, comment. Comment. Welcome my friend, where are you from? Philippines. I am from Philippines. No husband, I don't have husband. Okay. I said we are three here. Makmak, me and my mother. Makmak, me and my mother. Mm-mm. Hello to my 88 viewers. Thank you for the 15 like, and please click the button like and subscribe to my channel. Buot kayo si Janjan mo. Siya buot. Magpuan. Ano daw si Janjan? Ano daw na magpuan. Binutin sa Stephen party. Di. Ulihan man. Yes. Siyempre. Nagigit pa siya dire. Hi. Sino ko kapilang bandibo? So that's it. You. Wish I could meet you in person. Sure, why not? If you come to Philippines, you can meet me here. I'm always here in Philippines with my son. So where you from, Louis Meltzer? Sounds like you're from. I always speak English. Nice dancer. I know how to dance. Sure. Yan, ako nag-live pa po. Wait, hello, Maria. Hi, son. Hi, son. Say hi to them. This very sleepy. Hello to my 119 viewers. Was is Mac Braden John. Mac. Show your back. Oh my god. Hi to my 120 viewers. Do you have age limit on man? No. Unless he accept me as a single man with my son. No limit. What you mean by limit? Age limit? Uh-uh. No. How old are you, Louis Meltzer? I subscribe to you. Thank you, Domino's. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. That you subscribe to my channel. Hello. Please share live, guys. No husband. I don't have husband. I am a single mom. As you can see, now me single mom's vlog. It's me and my son. We're both excited because it's his birthday tomorrow, turning to 6 years old, and he's in grade 1 next. What you call this? Open for school. English so hard, English.